So I'm here on the 4-hour chart for render, and the chart has found support recently here in April, here in June, here in August, yeah. So it's kind of finding support, but we have not formed a higher high. I mean, it desperately needs a higher high. It's forming kind of higher lows and lower highs. And it's trying, but it just doesn't look like a full-scale breakout yet. It's respecting Fibonacci levels like most recently here in August, and then it moved up. But I mean, what this exactly is on the nano level is a bit of a mystery to me. I think it might have done this, and now it's kind of extending here this corrective rally. Please note that what this chart is doing is most likely a diagonal pattern. So if a meaningful low formed here in June in this B wave, then this is a wave 1 to the upside, a wave 2 pullback, and the wave 1 is a 3-wave move. So the third wave should also be a 3-wave move. And we might only just be working on the A wave. Then there could be a B wave and a C wave, and then we move higher like this over the coming weeks, maybe months. But the trend seems very, very weak. It seems very messy and sloppy there at the moment. The next micro targets, really here on the micro level, would be $4.50 to $5.07 if the upside momentum can continue. Against support here, which is still relevant, $2.95 to $3.49. I would see this as a range. We've got support. As long as we're holding $2.95, the idea that this is some kind of a wave 2 pullback remains plausible. But yeah, the move up can be corrective. So we just be ready for just corrective, messy price action higher, and $4.50 would be the next milestone target where wave C could complete. But I'm not convinced yet that wave 3 has really begun. It doesn't really look like classic third wave price action. So another test of support needs to be considered here. Kind of weak price action in the short term. But the broader trend still appears up, or at least the market is at least trying to reverse here. I have to say below $2.95, things are starting to collapse. So that is a very meaningful support level to me. So yeah, tentatively bullish, something to watch for. But I think there are stronger charts at the moment. I think all eyes need to be on that $2.95 level. That kind of keeps the trend up. But with a 3-wave move up, from the June low, it's kind of not high probability, or even though I'm watching for it, just important to understand that diagonal patterns, with only 3 waves in the subwave structures are, just very difficult to confirm. So flexibility is key here while we can watch for higher prices.